Hi guys, I am going to study English newspaper. I am going to read English newspaper. Delhi becomes Dwarka, the sunken capital. The rain gods have blessed the national capital region with abundant water this year, but these blessings come with the curse of traffic chaos from Gurugram to Ghaziabad, Vasant Kunj to Vaisali. Delhi is inundated, and office goers and school children alike are struggling to get to their destinations. If this was an isolated story of the 2024 monsoons, it would be understandable. No city in the world is designated to survive such heavy rainfall. The private weather forecaster SkyMat told PTI on September 10 that Delhi had 913 millimeter of rain this monsoon, 56% higher than normal. This is even before the deluge of the past 48 hours is accounted for. But this is a story of every monsoon in Delhi for the past quarter century. The sight of a submerged vehicle under Minto Bridge should now be enshrined as a good afternoon. World Heritage Site by UNESCO because it has become such an endemic image, not an enduring image. An endemic image, an enduring image happens once and stays forever. This image is now an annual sight, sometimes twice to thrice every season, and while it must be noted that the authorities, including the Indian Railways, the custodians of the bridge, have made attempts to fix the problems. It appears unfixable, but this is the issue in Delhi. We try to fix issues that we may not be able to be fixed. Instead of working out solutions to issues that can be like repairing and rehabilitating the sewer system well before the monsoons, before the storm drains and sewers get clogged with the first flush of the rains. Or to repair the roads well before the rains instead of them becoming off-road obstacle courses and driving people to buy large SUVs instead of small cars. And this applies to all the satellite cities around Delhi as well, especially Gurugram. In fact, Gurugram home to large multinationals and some of the richest real estate in India, where high rise apartments in exclusive societies sell for over 25 crore, has such serious flooding that social media users called some of these apartments Riverview homes as Golf Course Road had knee deep water in posh areas of Delhi. As well, multi-million dollar basement apartments are flooded thanks to poor planning and a century old sewage system on its last legs. And then there are the buses. Delhi residents can sympathize with the fact that every day multiple buses, many of which are way past their sell by date, break down often at awkward angles and invariably at the narrowest stretches of the road and cause kilometers long traffic. Yes, heavy rains which lead to bad traffic can happen. Thank you.